Hello everyone and welcome to the Freelancerwebguru channel. In this video tutorial, I will be guiding you through a simple and effective method to upload and host your static website using GitHub without the need to purchase a domain or web hosting. That's right, with the GitHub pages, you can publish your HTML, CSS and JavaScript file online completely free of cost. Whether you are a beginner looking to showcase your project or someone who wants a fast and reliable way to host a personal website, this tutorial will walk you through everything step by step. And here you will see all the project files, and let's upload these project files to the GitHub. This is my index.html file which contains the structure of the website, and this one is my style.css file which defines the styling and layout. So first you can create your account in the GitHub. Once you create account, you will redirect to the dashboard, and on the top of the menu you will see a drop down icon. So I'm going to click on this icon and create new repository. So I'm going to click on new repository, and here I'm gonna type a repository name. So first we web project, this one as my repository name, and then I'm gonna scroll down, check add a readme file, and then click on create repository. Once repository is successfully created, okay, here you will see this one is my project file repository, and we will upload the project file to here, right? So I'm gonna click on this plus icon and click on upload files. Let's upload the project file here. So I'm gonna choose your files, and this one as my project folder. So I'm gonna select all the project file and then click on open. Once I click on the open, so this file will be successfully uploaded to the GitHub. Now I'm gonna click on commit changes. GitHub processing your files, and here is the project file index.html and style.css. So now I'm gonna click on settings. On the top header you will see setting option. I'm gonna click on setting. On the sidebar you will see pages. So I'm gonna click on pages. Once it loads successfully, okay, and here you will see built and deployment. Source deploy from a branch, and none should be select main from here, and this one as the root. And now I'm gonna click on save. Once it's saved, so I'm gonna click on code. Add file via upload is showing as pending. A few moments, the upload completed successfully. And now I'm gonna click on settings. Once it loads successfully, and scroll down to the pages, I'm gonna click on pages, and here you will see the URL of the project. So I'm gonna copy this URL. I'm gonna visit in a new tab. So I'm gonna click on open link in a new tab. Very good. Now the site is successfully uploaded to the GitHub, right? So if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.